How to add photo widget on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add photo widget on Android phone. First, then open Play Store and download this app here, this one, download it and then open it, and now click here this plus icon and click add, and then just click photos and click create, click photo source here, and now just select any photo you want, like this one, and then click select and click create. And that's how to add photo widget on Android. It's easy and you can remove it if you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.